Experiencing issues receiving calls on Cricket Wireless can stem from network connectivity, device settings, or spam filters. First, ensure you have adequate signal strength. Weak coverage areas can prevent calls. Check your signal bars and ensure you're in an area with good coverage. Cricket relies on AT&T's network, so weak signal strength can block incoming calls. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Cricket requires a positive account balance for incoming calls to work. Rule out accidental call forwarding by dialing 73 to disable it. This ensures incoming calls aren't being redirected to another number. Try restarting your device and updating the Cricket app. This can resolve software glitches affecting call reception. Perform a network reset by dialing SAR 228 to reprovision your connection. This often resolves persistent call reception problems. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's likely a spam filter issue or a hardware problem with your SIM card. Contact Cricket support for further assistance. Cricket Wireless uses spam filters that, while helpful, can sometimes block legitimate calls. Access your phone's settings or the Cricket app to review blocked numbers and whitelist important contacts. Access your phone's settings on Android or iOS, or use the Cricket app version 5.2 or higher to manage blocked numbers. For advanced spam control, consider third-party apps like Haya or Nomorobo. If call forwarding is the culprit, confirm it's disabled by dialing 73. Cricket's support portal includes step-by-step guides for call forwarding configurations. If you're still facing problems, a SIM card replacement might be necessary. For immediate assistance, contact Cricket support at 1-800-CRICKET. Remember, Cricket is continuously updating its services with AI-driven spam blocking and diagnostic tools. Check for firmware updates from the Cricket app.